Come on, Becca. You can do it. Come on. Look at that. Come on, you boys don't know who you're messing with. They're girls. Thanks for taking it easy on them, guys. Made them feel a little bit better. Hi, how are you?